Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your crypto off Robinhood. Transferring your digital assets from Robinhood to an external wallet is a simple process, but it requires careful attention to detail. We will walk through each step, ensuring you understand how to securely move your cryptocurrency. This guide will help you gain full control over your crypto holdings, giving you peace of mind. To begin, open your Robinhood app and tap on the cryptocurrency icon. From there, select the specific crypto you want to move, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You will then see an option to send or withdraw your crypto. This is where you initiate the transfer process, so make sure you have chosen the correct asset. Next, you will need the receiving address from your external crypto wallet. This address is unique to your wallet and the specific cryptocurrency you are transferring. It is absolutely critical to copy this address precisely. A single incorrect character can result in your funds being sent to an unrecoverable location, so always double-check it. Finally, enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Before confirming, meticulously review all the transaction details, especially the wallet address and the quantity. Robinhood will display any applicable network fees. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the transfer. Your crypto will typically arrive in your external wallet within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.